Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to download and install the Pluto TV to your Android TV without Google Play Store app installed. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, even if it doesn't look the same like mine, what you should do is go over to your App Store and on your browser, search for the application. So you see, I'm not using my Play Store, I'm using my browser. So go over here and search for the application, which is Pluto app. So here's the application here, Pluto TV. Just click on it once and it should bring you to this page or something similar like this. So once you go over to a page like this, you're going to see the application somewhere here. And here is it, Pluto TV, Stream TV, and movies. So this is the application. Now just click on it once and you're going to get something like this. Now I just want to say that from where I am creating this video, the application is not available in my country because Pluto TV is limited just to certain countries. So if you live in a country like the US, where 50% of my viewers are from, and that's exactly why I decided to create a video, even though the application is not available in my country. This should be helpful for those who are in the US. So if you're in the US, the application will be available in your country and you can use the same method to install the application without any issues. It doesn't work, you can use this soft next site to install the same application. But the first option is what I will recommend to you to use. So that's it about the video. Please, I want to say the application is not available in every country. So just try and see if it is available in your country.